This brown should darken up significantly. Hopefully all the swirls will stand out. I just love that to-go cup. So yeah, and the top, I don't know if you can see the mica drizzle that I added in to the swirl. Let's see. Ooh, that end got more color. I like it. Obviously putting the embed in, you can see displaces the swirl around it, but you know me and embeds, I wanted my embed. So I said I think the swirls will pop a little bit more once the brown darkens. But yeah, I think that turned out cute. And I love these embeds, even though they were a pain. I should say embellishments. They were a pain, the painting them, but I think it was worth it. And then the little hearts. So I think I need to learn how to get more even pours across the whole slab. Just to get better color throughout. But yeah, that's cute. I'll take it. That is the last of my fall soaps. I don't know when I'll actually post the videos or what order I'll post the videos in, but they're done. 10 soaps, 10 designs. A bit more than I was actually planning on doing. Because fall is a really short season. And two, it's just people love their fall candles, but the fall soaps, not as much. So this year I did almond, a couple coffee scents, pecan, and then I did a couple that aren't necessarily fall related. Like they work for fall, the scents work for fall, but the designs could be any time of year with the fairy and the dragon. So yeah, well, that's the collection. Let me know what you think.